Guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. Today on this video guys, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can trade your forex trading with time frame. Many people find it difficult to trade on forex. Some feel like the time frame is really not convenient, or the time frame is confusing them, that once they change from 1 hour time frame to 30 minutes time frame, they get confused with the chart, and from 30 minutes time frame to 5 minutes or 1 minute time frame, you see that the chart is changing. So people tend to be confused with this time frame of a thing on forex trading. But today on this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can trade with the time frame, how you can use this time frame to analyze your trade and know the perfect way you can enter your trade, do your trading and come out with profit. First of all, if you are trading on forex, I'll advise you, when you are analyzing a chart, make sure you start with your 4 hours time frame. Reason why should you start with a 4 hours time frame? 4 hours time frame helps you to understand exactly what is going on in the market. Okay, what is previously going on in the market. Now, from what is previously going on in the market, you can ascertain what will happen in future in the market. Now, literally, if you look at this 4 hours time frame, if you check this time frame, if you check this chart, you know that this is a bullish trend. Okay, because the first high is longer than the previous to the next high. Sorry, the first high is longer than the previous high, and the next high is also longer than the previous high. If you look at all these things, you see that the highs are higher than the previous highs. So from this analysis, you know that this time frame is this chart, or this gold USDT, is a bullish trend. So when you start with your 4 hours time frame, you understand what is happening on the pairs that you are trading on. Now, after going for your 4 hours time frame, the next time frame you should go for is your 1 hour time frame. Now, this is your 1 hour time frame. Now, from this your 1 hour time frame, if you can also see that it's still a bullish trend. Now, after going for a 1 hour time frame, the next time frame I advise you to go for, if you are doing your sniper entry, is to go for your 5 minutes or your 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now if you look at this 5 minutes time frame, there are 3 candlesticks. No, it's more than 3. There are 4 candlesticks on this 5 minutes time frame. Now, if you look at this 15 minutes time frame, there are 2 candlesticks on this 15 minutes time frame. This is a confirmation that this is also going to do what? To buy. Okay, so the lower time frame will help you confirm that the pairs are still buying or selling, while the longer time frame will help you understand the previous trends in the market and know where you channel your energy to. So this is just a simple way to analyze your time frame, or the simple way you can use time frame on forex trading. Is very simple. It's just as simple as this. So please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos that I'll be making on how to trade on forex and make money online. Thank you.